In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text field in Paperform. To get started, open your Paperform and make sure you're inside the blank workspace canvas where you want your new field to appear. The first thing you need to do is place your typing cursor exactly at the line or focal point where you want the text field to be inserted. This is important because Paperform will add the field right where your cursor is positioned, so taking a moment to place it carefully will help keep your form organized and easy to read. Once your cursor is in the right spot, look for the plus icon. You can click that icon to begin adding a new field. If you prefer, you can also use the Field Choice Selector drop-down tool instead. Both options will take you to the same place, so you can use whichever one feels more natural for your workflow. The goal here is simply to open the field selection menu so you can choose the kind of input you want to add. When the field options appear, select the text field classification type. This tells Paperform that you want to insert a field designed for written responses. Text fields are useful anytime you want someone filling out the form to type information directly into a box, whether that's a short reply or a more detailed answer. After selecting the text field type, you'll be asked to choose between short answer and long answer. This choice depends on how much input you expect to collect. If the response only needs to be brief, such as a name, title, or a few words of information, choose short answer. If the person filling out the form may need more space to write a sentence, paragraph, or a more complete explanation, choose long answer instead. This part is worth thinking about before you click, because the field size affects how the form feels to the user. A short answer field keeps things compact and works well for quick entries, while a long answer field gives more room and signals that a fuller response is welcome. Once you've made that selection, your text field will be inserted into the form at the cursor location you chose earlier. That's all there is to it. By placing your cursor first, opening the field selector, choosing text, and then selecting either short answer or long answer, you can quickly add the exact kind of text input your form needs.